Hello there, all you beautiful rock music lovers and viewers. Welcome to Strum, a fine show to tune into if you're into rock music and all that jazz. I am yours truly, Angela Zetkuma, and thank you for tuning into the show today, where you will have a great deal of rock music, good music, with a thick slice of rock to it. Lots of great things had happened in this show, and I can assure you that today isn't gonna be any different, as the show continues to make you shimmer like the bright starry night sky. And today we have a very, very special rock band. They are a gospel rock band who have performed in all the biggest and prominent church events and functions. They may be young, but they have confidence oozing from them. So, without much further ado, let me introduce you to the band joining us today by first taking a look at their performance. It's Magnesia with their song, Believe.
Your life your way, but still there is something missing. You've been wondering your whole life, trying to make things right. What would you do if you fall, shattered and broken to pieces? You know it's not that hard to take it away and make it okay.
For now
band that's smashingly good, guys. I mean, come on, seriously? No wonder they're chosen to perform in all the biggest church events and functions. Now let's meet up with them. Hi Tim, how are you?
Hello Angela, we're doing great.
Just come on, walk with me. Before I start with my questions and answers, guys, why don't you just say hi to the viewers and start introducing yourselves.
Hi, we're Magnesia. I'm Tim and I play the guitar.
Hello everyone, my name is Andrew and as you can see here, I play bass. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dika, and as you can see, I play the drums for this band.
Hi, I'm Ben and I'm the vocalist of this band.
Hi, I'm Plonga and I play keyboard for Magnesia.
Guys, that was a really amazing song. I especially love the lyrics to the song. So, can you please tell me how you came about with the song? Can you please tell me a little bit more about the song?
Sure. It is about the importance of faith in God. Radhika wrote the drum pattern and came up with some of the melodies, and we all pitched in the lyrics. Especially Ben, he's in charge of most of the lyrics and the tunes of the songs we composed. And yeah,
that's very interesting. I hope you come up with more better songs to sway your fans. I heard you have lots of fans within the church community itself, so I would like to congratulate you and at the same time wish you all the best, okay?
Thank you very much.
And what about your group? I mean, every good thing starts from something, right?
Yeah.
So, and there are so many young boys and girls out there who may want to join a band or be in a band. So, can you please tell me how your band started formation?
Yeah, our band was officially named Magnesia back in 2014 when we were attempting to register in the Gospel Beat contest, the Music Homebook Gospel Beat contest. And then at that time we didn't have a name, but the band already existed, you know.
Okay.
And we have a little history. The band started as sort of a project band with no permanent members, you know. We often played without Radhika and they often played without me.
Okay.
But at the end, it all came down to the five of us as a permanent lineup. And then, yeah, we officially grouped up in 2014 when we entered the beat contest.
Okay, so who came up with the name Magnesia, and does it have any, you know, meaning behind it?
Magnesia was named by our manager, Nunmoya. He's not right now, but as he said that from the first day that he composed, he told us that Magnesia is like a magnet, which like we are like a magnet and every people are like the steel, and which everything that the magnet can take it. So like we can take it all of the Christians united in one. So we are called Magnesia. Just
like magnetizing what's over.
Oh, the more I know you, the more interesting you are, seriously. And that is a very, very deep meaning. Magnesia. Attracting people, attracting good music, attracting good vibes. What more can you ask for as a band? Seriously.
Until
call ourselves a local success just as yet, because we still have so much in our plate. We still have so much to go through, like releasing an album or even just an EP, you know. And we haven't had that to ourselves, and we haven't had the time actually. And yeah, but we have had one music video, and people love that, as we heard, and it was really great to know. You know, it's inspiring, and yeah, that could be called a success to some point, I guess.
Come on, you are a success. All you have to do is, like your song's title, start believing in it. To you, what is the future of gospel rock music? Do you think that gospel rock music has a future here in Mizoram?
Absolutely, yeah. In our perspective, Christianity being the main religion in our community, we believe that gospel rock and gospel music as a whole will never die in this state, and there will always be better musicians, better bands in the new generations to come, you know.
Oh, that is very good, because you said everything that I have on my mind, so great minds think alike, I think. Tim, we have come to the last question, and this question is from a very important person. It's from a fan, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so as a band, which is your favorite performance and why so far that you've performed?
I think one of our most favorite performances was the Tuikwa South Pearl Jubilee concert. The place was packed with audiences. People were dancing everywhere.
Wow.
They were right in front of us, waving at us, and we performed to our satisfaction. Yeah, and we shared the same stage with some of the most legendary bands in Mizoram. Yeah, we adored them, and it was unbelievable at first because that was our first time. Because we are still a very young band, and yeah, I think that was one of our most favorite events.
I'm so happy for you. You were really lucky, and I wish you the very, very bestest for your future.
Thank you.
So come on, Tim, let's go join the other guys.
Let's go.
They would be eager to see you again, so let's go. With that last question, we have come to the end of this beautiful episode. But before we go, these guys have a beautiful song to present to you. Guys, are you ready?
Yeah! Let's do it!
So, until next time, I'll see you. Take care. For now, goodbye. Guys, take it away.
Getting darker every day. It's hard to take it on my own. I drifted away.